Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change variant picker on Shopify. So, first, you may want to head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just head over to products. And from here, just select the specific product that you want to change the variant picker into. And from here, just scroll down. And in the variants section, just select the specific variant picker that you want to change. And from here, you have an option to add another value or change specific variants, or you can also delete existing variants. Then once done, just head over and click on done. And we're just going to save these changes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!